Muscles of the front of arm. There are three muscles in the anterior compartment of arm. They are coracobrachialis, biceps brachii. This is the short head of biceps brachii, and this is the long head of biceps brachii, and brachialis. These three muscles are the muscles of front of arm: coracobrachialis, biceps brachii with its two heads, and brachialis. The origin of coracobrachialis originates from the coracoid process of scapula, and it gets inserted to the medial border of the humerus. As the name suggests, coraco means it originates from coracoid process. Brachialis means it gets inserted to the arm, that is in the medial border of the humerus. Then biceps brachii originates from supraglenoid tubercle of scapula. The long head of biceps brachii originates from the supraglenoid tubercle of scapula. Short head of biceps brachii originates from coracoid process along with coracobrachialis. Coracobrachialis and the short head of biceps brachii together, they originate from the coracoid process of scapula. So the long head of biceps brachii originates from supraglenoid tubercle of scapula. Short head of biceps brachii originates from coracoid process of scapula, and they both get inserted to the radial tuberosity on the humerus. Brachialis originates from the lower half of the front of humerus, and the brachialis gets inserted to the ulnar tuberosity and the coronoid process of ulna. Brachialis originates from lower half of the front of humerus, and it gets inserted to the coronoid process of ulna and ulnar tuberosity. All these three muscles, coracobrachialis, biceps brachii and brachialis, are supplied by musculocutaneous nerve. The root value of musculocutaneous nerve is C5, C6, C7. The brachialis is called as hybrid muscle because it receives dual nerve supply. The brachialis is supplied by two nerves, musculocutaneous nerve and radial nerve. The musculocutaneous nerve is motor to brachialis. Radial nerve is proprioceptive to brachialis. So brachialis is a hybrid muscle since it receives dual nerve supply, that is from musculocutaneous nerve and radial nerve. And the coracobrachialis is the muscle which is pierced by musculocutaneous nerve. Musculocutaneous nerve pierces the coracobrachialis. So actions of all these muscles are, so all these three muscles help in flexion. Coracobrachialis flexes the arm at shoulder joint. Biceps brachii, flexion of arm. Brachialis, flexion of arm at elbow joint. The biceps brachii, it also has other actions. Main is it is strong supinator of forearm. The biceps brachii is a strong supinator of forearm, and it also helps in flexion of arm. And the biceps brachii can be tested against resistance. So these are the actions of the muscles of front of arm. So muscles of front of arm are coracobrachialis, biceps brachii, brachialis, and the function of all these three muscles, action of all these three muscles are flexion of arm. Flexion of arm at shoulder joint is coracobrachialis. Flexion of arm is biceps brachii. Flexion of arm at elbow joint is brachialis. Biceps brachii is also a strong supinator of elbow joint, and it can be tested against resistance. These are the muscles of front of arm.